For years, 3I ATLAS was just a dim point on star charts, an interstellar traveler expected to pass quietly through the solar system. But in early October 2025, everything changed. China's Tianwen-1 probe, orbiting Mars since 2021, turned its high-resolution camera away from the red planet and toward this mysterious object. It was never designed to track faint, fast-moving interstellar bodies, yet between October 1st and 4th it captured what no other space agency had achieved: the clearest images of 3I ATLAS ever recorded. On October 3rd, from nearly 29 million kilometers away, the probe photographed a bright nucleus surrounded by a massive coma stretching thousands of kilometers wide. The symmetry of the glow looked unnatural, almost engineered. Scientists in Beijing called it a once-in-a-generation frame, the first detailed portrait of a visitor born in another star system. But the real shock came when engineers revealed that the probe had to adjust its exposure mid-capture because the object wasn't following its predicted path. It drifted slightly, as if reacting to forces beyond solar radiation or simple outgassing. Days later, China released an animated sequence made from multiple frames. In it, 3I ATLAS drifted across a field of stars, its faint blue-white glow pulsing with each rotation. The tail shifted as if responding to invisible pressure, and the coma brightened in cycles too regular to be random. The animation went viral. For the first time, the world watched an interstellar object move through space in real time, and the motion didn't look natural. When scientists enhanced the frames, the coma showed an eerie internal shine, pulsing as though lit from within. Spectral readings revealed strange chemistry, low water content but high carbon dioxide, nickel traces, and metallic compounds that didn't match natural comet models. Some researchers suggested the object might not be behaving like a comet at all. Yet the most impossible detail was the distance. Tianwen-1 had captured these images from nearly 29 million kilometers away using a camera built to photograph bright Martian terrain, not deep space. Every pixel represented millions of kilometers, yet the clarity was undeniable. China had done what no other spacecraft had managed: an interstellar close-up from another planet's orbit. What made the moment even stranger was NASA's silence. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, equipped with the far more powerful HiRISE camera, had also observed 3I Atlas at nearly the same time. But none of those images were released. NASA cited the government shutdown as the reason for the delay, but astronomers and lawmakers doubted that explanation. A shutdown could pause press releases, but it couldn't prevent a spacecraft from sending data home. Then, on October 31st, a member of Congress formally demanded the release of NASA's images, insisting that the public had a right to see what the agency had captured. Behind the scenes, reports hinted that HiRISE had recorded something unusual: patterns inside the coma that looked structured, as if parts of the surface were smooth or geometric. Combined with the object's strange acceleration, many compared it to the debates raised after Oumuamua. China continued releasing more data: faint blue flashes near the tail, symmetric pulses in the coma, and brightness variations too rhythmic to dismiss. The world's space agencies scrambled to respond while public pressure mounted. China appeared confident and transparent. NASA appeared cautious, even nervous. And now every telescope on Earth was fixed on the same target. 3I ATLAS had become more than an interstellar visitor. It was moving with purpose, reacting to forces no one could explain, and lighting up from within as though signaling or processing energy. Whether natural or not, it had already reshaped global politics and ignited a new kind of space race. And as it continued deeper into the inner solar system, one truth was impossible to deny. Whatever 3I Atlas is, it is not behaving like anything humanity has ever seen. It is a question written across the cosmos, one we may not be ready to answer.